Okay, Hyundai Santa Fe, getting at the center console, part one. Simple. Clear out everything here, move all your trays and your garbage, whatever is in there, and get your pry tools up underneath where my fingers are. Get them nice and deep, gently pry up. These clips are all that's hanging on, so it's going to take a little bit of effort. They hold on really tight. But you'll get this little back portion popped up. Then you can go down the side, along the side, and help get these clips to jump out. And once you have it all kind of loose, you don't need to remove the handle to get to this. That front section up here is also part of it. You want to be careful you don't just pry and break. You can tuck your tool in around the edge to help get that guy to pop loose. Once all that's loose, then you can use the tools as little kickstands to hold that up out of the way. Then you got two screws, regular Phillips screws. I've got my stubby in one right there, and the other one has already been removed right there. And then I have 3 number 10s down there to remove. At which point, if I remember correctly, this whole thing kind of wiggles and jiggles toward the back of the car and comes out. This is actually not the first time I've been in here. I installed a USB port where the socket, the generic, utility socket was, and somebody kind of stepped on one of the cords and broke the device. So, $10 at Amazon, and a little while popping these panels apart, and I'll have it all back together with a nice new USB port, which is right there. That's what I'm out to change.